Welcome to Style Skating. We're going to look at step sequence from senior move in the field. First part is backward outside, forward inside 3 turn with cross in front. We're going to do just all 4 3 turns, starting from introductory steps and then forward outside 3 turn, backward outside 3 turn, forward inside 3 turn and backward inside 3 turn. Next one will be toe steps. We're going to do both directions, since we just practice on parts of the step sequence. This way it's easier to remember and you can work on quality of your steps and turns. Next one, forward inside twizzle, 2.5 revolutions, followed by backward cross roll and backward outside 3 turn. Twizzle, cross roll and backward outside 3 turn. After that we're going to do 3 mohawks inside mohawks. We actually start working on mohawks on a circle, just one way at a time, and try to focus on quick hips turn to make nice and smooth transition from backward to forward. And then we're going to do this from both legs with 2-foot transition between. Don't forget to extend your free leg every time when you step forward. And next we're going to go counter, rocker and another leg, counter and rocker with inside, backward and side edges. The next part of step sequence is second rocker with mohawk and bracket. Backward and side rocker, forward and side mohawk and backward and side bracket. And then cross behind to prepare for next part. And the next part will be forward and side bracket and backward outside counter with cross roll and cross behind. Cross roll, cross behind, preparing for Choctaw after that. Bracket, counter, cross roll, cross behind. So forward inside bracket, backward outside counter. And then Choctaw, forward inside counter, and then we start from other leg. Choctaw and forward inside counter. Next one will be backward inside Twizzles, 2 revolutions on each foot. Keep your flow. And then backward inside loop. That's the last element of step sequence. Now we did backward inside twizzle with loop, just to put them together and practice smooth transition from one foot to another. And after that we're going to run whole step sequence, and my other student will demonstrate that for you. With 3 turns, toe step, twizzle, 3 turn with mohawks, backward and side edges with counter, rocker and another rocker, mohawk, bracket, another bracket, counter, cross roll, and then Choctaw, forward and side counter, twizzle and backward and side loop. And then we're going to repeat everything from other leg, starting from 3 turns and then toe step, forward and side twizzle, 2.5 revolutions, then set of mohawks, 3 sets, and then counter, rocker, and another rocker, Mohawks into brackets, and then backward outside counter, Choctaw, forward and side counter, Twizzle, backward and side 2 revolutions, and then backward and side loop. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.